Hi guys, so today we are making raw mango dal, also called as Tok Dal in Bengali, for which we would need masoor dal, raw mango, mustard seeds, turmeric, dried red chilies and salt. Let's start with washing, peeling and cutting the mango into slices. Dip them in water to avoid oxidizing and keep aside. Now in a pan, boil the dal. We do not want it to become very mushy, hence we won't be using a pressure cooker. Add salt, turmeric and let it boil until it becomes soft but not mushy. Keep it aside and do not use a tissue to hold hot vessels. They can catch fire. Yeah, I know, that's a no-brainer right there. Anyways, moving on. Heat some oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds, dried red chilies, and the sliced mangoes. Add salt and turmeric to this. Give it a good mix, cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. As they turn slightly brown, add the boiled dal. Cover and cook until it boils. Mash the mangoes with the help of a fork. Check for salt, add some sugar. It's optional. We will be adding it as it gives a nice tangy flavor to the dal. Adjust the water and boil for another 2 to 3 more minutes. Your super easy and tasty raw mango dal is ready to serve. Traditionally, it is served with plain rice and fried brinjal or pointed gourd. Do try out this recipe and let us know how it came out. Until next time, have a great day.